Introducing one-click data analysis. Anyone can do data analysis with just one click. Upload any dataset and get a complete analysis report in seconds. With our unique one-click story, your data is instantly transformed into a clear and meaningful business narrative. One-click data analysis is designed for small and medium businesses, startups, and growing companies that cannot afford the high cost of traditional business intelligence tools or dedicated data analysts. One-click data analysis changes that. The platform already includes the intelligent analytics engines that a typical data team would normally build from scratch. It is significantly more affordable and accessible compared to traditional BI tools, both in terms of technology and cost. Built with 11 intelligent analytics engines, the platform automatically analyzes your dataset and detects patterns, risks, and opportunities. The platform supports 7 industry domains, including retail, e-commerce, HR and staffing, fraud detection, marketing, sales, and revenue analytics. Simply upload your data and ask questions in natural language. Within seconds, you get dashboards, trends, predictions, and recommended actions. The platform generates a wide variety of visualizations, from simple bar charts to advanced radial gauges, heat maps, and more depending on your dataset. Upload datasets in multiple formats including CSV, Excel, HTML, and PDF. Our AI platform automatically detects your business domain. Instantly identify anomalies, trends, and key insights. Generate dashboards, charts, and performance indicators. Use natural language queries to explore your data and get answers instantly. Predict future outcomes using built-in machine learning models. Export boardroom-ready reports in PDF format within seconds. One-click data analysis. Turning raw data into decisions in seconds. Try one-click data analysis today and see the difference.